So let's measure the snout of the crankshaft. Get a reading on that. Because say the damper's too tight, I'll have to have it honed out to where it'll fit better. So I'm just using a snap gauge, sticking it in there, get me a reading. Let's see what we got here. Now, I'm going to let you guys know it's twice as hard to try to measure something in front of the camera than when I just measure it myself. So anyways, here are the figures I came up with. I'm showing about 7/10 interference fit, which that falls well within the recommended parameters that they want. So that damper kind of falls